And I will end my spatial exploration with this world, which is called Mortal VR's Karaoke Beach Club. Karaoke music, Hispana, España, Spanish, and party. Yes, I had the pleasure of meeting Mortal VR, and he's a great and talented builder, world builder, as you can see. Nice view. You can sing karaoke if you want to. I take it I don't see a YouTube player, so you probably can you write it? No. Oh, but that would be so much fun to write it. Ooh-wee. Oh, no splash. Mortal VR. Yeah, I haven't seen Mortal in a while. Ooh, nice. We bet with that view. Oh yeah. Most fitting to end it right here. All Space VR. Yes, Mortal VR was a heavy player in All Space VR. He made many cool worlds. It's just a shame that all these applications and platforms keep shutting down. Bueno, goodbye, Spatial. You you were a good platform, and of course you'll be missed. What a view. What a way to end it. With an amazing view. Take care, folks. Take care, my friends. And please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm trying to reach 2,000 subscribers. And I can only do it with your help. Thank you. And it's almost 6 in the morning. It's time to go. Time to say goodbye to Spatial. Rest in peace, my friend.